This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious egg and cheese sandwich. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like eggs, your favorite cheese, and some good bread. You'll also need a non-stick pan and a spatula. Don't forget to have a small amount of butter or cooking oil on hand to ensure nothing sticks. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's cook those eggs perfectly. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1/2 teaspoon of butter or a drizzle of oil. Once melted, crack 2 eggs directly into the pan. Cook them gently until the egg whites are fully set, but the yolks are still slightly runny for that ideal texture. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. As your eggs are finishing, place a slice of your favorite cheese directly on top of them in the pan. The residual heat will melt it beautifully. While that's happening, toast your bread to a lovely golden brown. Once the cheese is gooey and the bread is ready, carefully slide the egg and cheese combination onto one slice of the toasted bread. This is where the magic happens. To complete your masterpiece, add any condiments you love, such as a dash of hot sauce, a dollop of ketchup, or even some fresh herbs. Place the second slice of toast on top, and your incredible egg and cheese sandwich is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor the warm, melty goodness. Remember to check the description below for a link to those amazing Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.